Hi guys, this is Sadik from drawback.com, and in this video we will show you two different methods through which you could force enable dark mode on any Android app of your choice. As for reference, we'll be using the Google Opinion Rewards app, but this method will work across all the Android apps of your choice. So what are these two methods? Well, in the first method we will be using the developer options, whereas the second method will make use of a third-party app. So what is the difference between both these methods? Well, in the first method in which we will use the developer option, it is quite easy to execute and it does not require any additional apps. On the flip side, that method might not be able to force enable dark mode on every Android app. There could be a few apps on which that method might not work. On the other hand, if you talk about the second method, in that method we will use a third-party app. The benefit of that method is that it will force enable dark mode on near about every Android app. But on the flip side, you will have to keep that app running in the background, which might lead to additional battery drainage. With that said, we will show you both these methods. You may try out the one which is in sync with your requirement. So let's get started. First off, I'll show you how to force enable dark mode on any Android app using the developer option. So go to settings menu on your device, then go to about phone and tap on build number 7 times. After that, type in your password and it will enable developer option. So go back, go to system and you should now see developer options. So go there and now search for override force dark. As you could see, this is the menu. Select it and then enable the toggle next to override force dark. Once that is done, go to the app of your choice and just force stop it once. Once you force stop it, tap on OK and now launch the app. As you could see, dark mode has been enabled on this app, and using this method you could force enable dark mode on any Android app. Now guys, let me show you the second method of doing this job, but before that let me first remove this method. So I'll just need to disable the toggle next to override force dark, and with this we have nullified our first method and we will now move over to our next method. Let me show you once. The white mode is back again. So guys, let me now show the second method. In this method you will have to first and foremost install the Shizuku app. For the unaware, this app provides the interface for wireless debugging. So install it from Play Store and then launch it. After that, go to the pairing section and go to notification option and enable the toggle next to all Shizuku notifications. Then go back, tap on developer options, scroll to wireless debugging and enable it. After that, tap on wireless debugging and then tap on pair device with pairing code. You will now get a pairing code and Shizuku will also bring us pairing service found. So type in this pairing code in the Shizuku box. After that, hit enter. You should now see a message that pairing successful. So now go back, go to its home page and tap on start. The service will now start. It will take around 3 seconds. As you could see, Shizuku is running. So once you get this message, go to GitHub and download and install the DarkU app. DarkU app is an open source app which is used to force enable dark mode on any Android app running Android 10 or above. So go to its GitHub page, the link is given in the description. Go to release section and download this APK. Once downloaded, install it and then launch it. First off, it will ask for the allow DarkU to access Shizuku. Make sure to allow all the time. It will now use the Shizuku app and then enable in the backend. Next up, it asks for the notification. It's completely up to your choice. Now, once the app is loaded, go to Force Dark Apps and then choose the app of your choice. As for this guide, let us select the Google Opinion Rewards app. Check mark it and you should see the changes synced with service. Once that is done, let's now force close the Google Opinion Rewards app. And now if I launch the app, you could see dark mode has been enabled. So guys, these were the two different methods through which you could force enable dark mode on any Android app. The benefit with the first method, which involved developer option, is it's quite easy to execute. But on the flip side, it might not be able to enable dark mode on every Android app. Whereas if you take the help of third-party app, then it will force enable dark mode on any Android app. But on the flip side, it will be constantly running in the background and might lead to some battery drainage. Well, the choice is completely up to you which method you opt for. And if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. Rounding off, guys, please subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks. And thanks a lot for watching.